question. Ṣó le ni? Kò le. Ó yá jẹ́ ká wò. In a survey of 290 newspaper readers, 181 read Daily Times, 142 read The Guardian, 117 read The Punch, and each read at least one of the three papers. If 75 read the Daily Times and The Guardian, 60 read the Daily Times. Draw 60 read the Daily Times and The Punch, and 54 read The Guardian and The Punch. A. Draw a Venn diagram to illustrate this information. B. How many readers read all the three papers? 2. Exactly 2 of the paper. 3. Exactly 1 of the paper. And Roman figure 4. The Guardian alone. Now, in this question, what we need to do is this. We would bring out the information. We have been told that in a survey, 290 newspaper. That means the total number of people in the survey or that participated in the survey now let's solve this. We have that in a survey of 200 newspapers readers, that means the number of readers that participated in the survey is 290. So we could term the universal set, the number of the universal set, to be 290. Now in the question, it is mentioned that we have Daily Times, The Guardian, and The Punch. So we could say let Daily Times equals D. Use the capital letter D to represent the Daily Times. Then you can say The Guardian, is equals to G. And we can, the last one there, which is Punch, you can say Punch newspaper to be P. So from the question now, our number for Daily Times, we are told that in the questions that 181 of them read Daily Times. That means number of Daily Times is 181. 142 read The Guardian. That means number of our Guardian is 142. And 1117 read The Punch. That means number of Punch is 117. So we have that. And each read at least one of the three papers. That means we don't have anyone who doesn't read the papers. We also have that 75, if 75 read Daily Times and The Guardian, 75 read Daily Times and The Guardian, that means number Daily Times intersection Guardian intersection P prime, that is number that read Daily Times and Guardian, D intersection G intersection P prime is equals to 75. 60 read Daily Times and The Punch. 60 read Daily Times and The Punch. That means number of Daily Times, that is D intersection G prime intersection P, that's those that read Daily Times and Punch, is equals to 60. Then the next one, we have and 54 read the Guardian and Punch. 54 read Guardian and Punch. That means that's going to be D prime intersection G intersection P. That's 54. That means those that read the Guardian and the Punch is 54. Now, in the question, we are not given the number of people that read all the three papers. That's going to be number D intersection G intersection P. We don't know that, we can call that X. We are asked to represent this information on a Venn diagram. This on a Venn diagram. We have three Venn diagram here. One for daily times, Guardian, and the Punch. Now, number that read daily times is equals to 181, while second will go for the Guardian. Number that read the Guardian is equals to 142, and number that read Punch is equals to 117. Now, before we proceed now, in the question, we are not given the number that read the three papers. That is, the intersection of the three papers is not given. And now, this region here is the intersection of the three papers. That is, those that read Daily Times, Guardian, and Punch. Now, that is what is denoted with X here, like X here. Daily Times intersection, Guardian intersection, Punch, X. When it comes to three Venn diagram, we always get that part first. Now, as far as this question is concerned, it's not given. So we denoted that with X. So we represent here with X. Then let's now substitute in other information we have in the question. In the questions too, we're also being given number of daily times and Guardian. Daily times and Guardian to be 75. That is represented with this here. That is 75. But this 75 that we have, we are not just going to write only 75 here. We are going to subtract it. We are going to subtract X, the intersection of the 3 from 75. So here is going to be 75 minus X. Now go to the next one. We have number that read daily times and Punch. That is 60. This is the region for daily times and Punch. Here is the region for daily times and Punch. Their intersection, daily times and Punch, that is 60. So we are not only going to write 60 as well. We are going to do 60 minus X. That's 60 minus the intersection of the 3. Then we have the other one there. Guardian and Punch. Number that read Guardian and Punch is 54. So that's going to be 54 minus X. We have input the information on a Venn diagram. But the question asks us to also find how many readers read all the three papers. Now, represent this on Venn diagram. I want to get numbers that read all three papers, that is for this S. To do that, now to calculate numbers that read all the three papers here. To calculate number of all the three papers is going to be addition of this number that read daily times only plus number that read Guardian only plus number that read Punch only plus intersection of daily times and Guardian plus intersection of daily times and Punch plus intersection of Guardian and Punch plus intersection of the 3 equals to the total number of readers, which is 290. The universal set given 290. Now, but before we do that, we first need to also get what is the value of numbers that read D alone. That is number of readers that read only daily times, guardian and punch. We need to first get that because it's not given. This here is the region. Here is the region for daily times only. Here is the region for guardian only. Here is the region for punch only. So to get that, we'll consider this case. We have is going to be for us to get daily times only. Now we are going to have 181 minus, we'll consider here, this is the circle for daily times. 181 75 minus x plus 60 minus x. This is going to give us 181 minus 75 plus 60 minus x plus x minus x. Then we have 181 minus 75 plus 60 will give us 135, and there you are going to have minus x plus x is going to have minus x. Here we are going to have 181 minus 135 minus x. Here we are going to have 181 minus x plus x is going to have minus x. Here we are going to have 181 minus 135 minus x. Here we are going to have 181 minus 135 is going to give us minus times minus is going to be plus. Then we are going to have 181 minus 135 here is going to give us 46 plus x. To get for the guardian only. To get the guardian only is also going to be 142 minus 142 minus, open bracket, we'll consider this circle here. That's going to be 75 minus x plus x plus 54 minus x. Here is going to be 142 minus 75 plus 54 minus x plus x minus x. Then this will give us 142 minus 75 plus 54 is going to give us 129. Minus x is cancelled, we have minus x. Then this in turn is going to give us 142 minus 129 plus x, and that's going to give us 13 plus x. 13 plus x. That means for daily times, for the guardian only, we have 13 plus x. 13 plus x. The punch only. That's for the punch newspaper. We consider this circle here. We consider it. So we are going to have 117 minus, open bracket, 60 minus x plus 54 minus x. So that's going to give us 117 minus 60 plus 54 minus x plus x minus x. Then we are going to have 117 minus 60 plus 54 is going to give us 114 minus x cancelled plus x, that's gone. Then we have minus x. Then this will give us 117 minus 114 minus times minus, then we have plus x. 117 minus 114 is going to give us 3 plus x. So now to now fit in, we have 3 plus x for the punch only. Now to now fixing this back into the Venn diagram so that it can look very meaningful. So we are going to now have, for daily times only, we are going to have here to be 46 plus x. For the guardian only, we are going to have here to be 13 plus x. Then for the punch only, we are going to have here to be 3 plus x. In the question, we're being told that the total number of readers in the survey is 290. That is, the number of people readers that participated in the survey is 290. That means our number of universal sets is equals to 290. Here we have that the universal set, that total number of readers is going to be, here is going to be 46 plus x, that is for daily times only, plus the guardian only, plus the punch only, plus daily times and the guardian, 75 minus x, plus daily times and punch, plus 60 minus x, plus guardian and punch, 54 minus x, plus x, which is for the those that read the 3 papers, equals 290. Then we have to be 46 plus 13 plus 3 plus 75 plus 60 plus 54 plus x plus x plus x minus x minus x minus x plus x equals 290. Now we have 46 plus 13 plus 3 plus 75 plus 60 plus 54 would give us 251. We have plus x plus x plus x, 3x minus x minus x minus x minus 3x plus x equals 290. This is 251 plus 3x minus x, that's gone. We have plus x is equals 290. Then we have x is equals to 290 minus 251. X is going to give us 251. X is equals to 39. Now that means we answer the B Roman figure 1 of the questions that says how many read all 3 papers. B Roman figure 1 of the question that says how many read all the 3 papers. That means 39 read all 3 papers. Here, this is the region. Here is the region. Here is the region for all the 3 papers, the intersection of Daily Times, Guardian, and the Punch. Those that read the 3 paper is here, X, and our X is equals to 39. The B Roman figure 2 says exactly 2 papers. For us to get exactly 2 papers, readers that read exactly 2 papers is going to be Daily Times and Guardian, that is 75 minus X plus 60 minus, that is Daily Times and Punch, plus 60 minus X plus Guardian and Punch 54 minus X. That is those that read exactly 2 papers. Here 75 minus X, here 60 minus X, and here 54 minus X. So we have 75 plus 60 plus 54 minus X minus X minus X. 75 plus 60 plus 54, that's going to give us 189 minus 3X. Then we have 189. We already know that our X is equals to 39. That is 3 brackets 39, and that's going to give us 189 minus 117, and that's going to give us 72. That means 72 read exactly 2 papers. Now we have B Roman figure 3 says exactly one of the papers. For us to calculate exactly one of the papers, that means those that read one. Now, for us to get those that read one of the paper, is going to be from here, this region here, 46 plus X. That's the one that read only one. In this case, 46 plus X are the number of readers that read only Daily Times. 13 plus X for the reader that read only the Guardian, and 3 plus S is for the one that read only the Punch. So only one. So for us to have only one, we are going to have 46 plus X plus 13 plus X plus 3 plus X. So we have 46 plus 13 plus 3 plus X plus X plus X. So we have 46 plus 13 plus 3 equals 62 plus 3X, and we have 62 plus our X. Already we know that the value of our X is 39. Then we have 62 plus 117 That's 179. That means 179 read exactly one of the papers. B Roman figure 4 says the guardian only. For us to get the guardian only, let's come to the Venn diagram. Here we have the region for guardian only. Here is the region for guardian only, and we have that with 13 plus x, 13 plus x. 13 plus x. I already know what our x is, 13. Our x is 39. Now they're having 13 plus 39. That's going to give us 52. That means 52 read the guardian only. So we have solved the question. We have represented it in a Venn diagram, and we have answered all the B part of the question.